Hey guys, hi. Now this is another question. Welcome to once again the questions from genetics. So this is another question of genetics. Let us simply get started. One form of color blindness in humans is caused by a sex-linked recessive disease. Now, color blindness, when you talk about color blindness, you already know that color blindness is caused by X-linked disorder and the gene responsible for color blindness is on the X chromosome. NCRT already teaches you this. Okay, nothing so far outside the NCRT. Caused by a sex-linked recessive mutant gene. Okay, fine. Woman has normal color vision. So when it says that woman has normal color vision, as of now, what you can write that the woman is X dash. Why I've written dash? Because as of now, I don't know what is the second allele. If she is normal, that means she could be carrying another normal copy of X chromosome, or she could be carrying a defective X chromosome. And because the defective is recessive, it needs two copies to be expressed. So I don't know, I will not try. Okay. Now, and whose father was colorblind. So woman with normal color vision and whose father was colorblind. So what they are trying to say is that this woman has come from parents, parent 1, parent 2, and the father was colorblind. Now what do we understand if father was colorblind? The father was XCY. Why I'm writing C? C for colorblind. Now the woman must have got one X chromosome from the mother, one X chromosome from the father. And if the father is colorblind, he has to be XC. Father only has one X chromosome, and this one X chromosome will come down to the female. So X, XC. Now we filled the gap. Okay, so whose father was colorblind? Using this piece of information, I filled the gap that the second chromosome has to be XC. Now marries a man, okay, let's have marriage. Marries a man of normal vision. So man has normal vision. Man is XY. If even he had one defective chromosome, he would be affected. Why? He has only one X chromosome. Okay, so that is XY. Marries a man of normal vision whose father was also colorblind. So this man's father, so once again we'll construct the pedigree. The father was also colorblind. That means XCY. But that does not make a difference. Why it does not make a difference? Fathers do not pass the X chromosome to the sons. The mothers would pass. Fathers would pass the Y chromosome. Which of the following correctly represents the phenotype of F1 and F2 offsprings? So this is the P generation, this is the F1 generation, and let us write about F2. So what are the possible F2s? So we'll combine XX, we'll combine XY, then we'll combine X C X, and then we'll combine XCY. So these are the four possible combinations. Now, and this is what generation? This is F2 generation. Let us look at the question. All daughters have normal color vision. All daughters have normal color vision. All the sons were colorblind. Now, all the sons were colorblind. We see that this son XY is normal. Only this is colorblind. This is a carrier and this is perfectly normal, right? This is a female XX, this is a male XY, female XX, male XY. So all the sons were colorblind? No, all sons were not colorblind. Half the daughters and half the sons were colorblind. Half the sons were colorblind, correct, because one son is colorblind, one son is not. So half the sons are colorblind, this part is correct. But are half the daughters colorblind? No, because the second daughter who is carrying one XC allele will be a carrier. So none of the daughters are colorblind. This is the part where the statement went wrong. all the daughters have normal color visions and half of the sons were colorblind. Absolutely correct. All daughters X and XCX, they have normal color vision. Perfectly correct. And half of the sons were colorblind. Perfectly correct. So looks like C is going to be our answer. Half the daughters were colorblind and all the sons had normal color vision. Half the daughters wrong, all the sons normal color vision wrong. So our accurate answer was C, right? So this is cool. Okay, take a screenshot of the next question and try to solve it. I'll also be releasing the book with all these questions so that you can solve it yourself and come to these videos for solutions. The book is already ready. I'll be soon releasing it on my website, which is shantasonasingh.com. You can purchase the book from there directly. It will be available at a cheap cost of around 300 or 350. Take care. Bye.